I told you she was spoiled.
She's like, no.
She does this civil disobedience thing.
Man, she doesn't mind people kicking her.
Come on, yeah. Come on, Opsy.
Man, you're not very thoroughbred, look. Like, come on. I know a thoroughbred, if they do that, if you kick, they would go, oh. Come on.
I love you, Opsy. Keep walking. Come on.
Come on. You're just gonna walk, okay? I promise you. Come on. Come on. Come on, Opsy. Come on.
Come on, Ops. It's okay, girl.
Come on. Okay, she's like, okay. I just need some encouragement there.